Now look at page number 227. Be attentive. Maintain silence. In how many ways? Page 227, question 7. In how many ways can 5 boys and 3 girls be arranged in a row such that all the boys are together? Understand this? 5 boys and 3 girls. Complete silence and be attentive. The boys should remain together, so tie them with a rope. Resultantly, we have to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4 people, which can be done in 4 ways. And inside the rope, 5 boys can be arranged in 5 ways. Panchi. Be attentive. 5 factorial into 4 factorial. 120 into 24, 2880. Is everyone clear with this? Now look at question 15. How many arrangements of the letters of the word shloka can be made such that and then all vowels are together? Now shloka, first of all here vowels are A and O. Other than that, silence. Keep silent, what is going on? Other than that, we have S, H, L, K. Now, tie the vowels with a string. So, resultantly, we have to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. You say they can be done in 5 ways. 2 vowels inside the string can be arranged in 2 ways. 2 factorial into 5 factorial. 2 into 120, 240. Who have to get both these correct? Everyone? Yes. And now look at page 245, question 3 of section C. In how many ways can 4 boys and 3 girls be arranged in a row such that no 2 boys and no 2 girls are together? So as I discussed, we have to arrange them alternately. So it can be done in this way. First of all, there are 4 boys and 3 girls. Now alternately means B, G, B, G, B, G, B. Now 4 boys can be arranged in 4 ways, and 3 girls can be further arranged in 3 ways. 4 factorial into 3 factorial, 24 into 6, 144. All could get this right? So, very good. Everyone is clear with this? Now look at question 4 of the same page. Understand it first, be attentive. There are 6. Circle the word different. I'll explain you the relevance later. There are 6 different books of statistics. Be attentive. There are S, 6 different books of statistics. Then 5 different books of accounts. A. And 4 different books on English. E. Silence, everyone. In how many ways can these books be arranged in a row such that and then books of same subject remain together? Raise your hand. It is similar to that girls remain together, boys remain together, vowels remain together. Books of same subject remain together. Who else can answer this? Romit?
Together. 10, 6 together. 6 be 6. Take on student 4. 5 be 5. E together. 4 be 4 and 3 or 3 be 3.
Correct. First of all, tie them with a string. Tie them also with a string. Tie them also with a string. Now resultantly we have to arrange 3 subjects. This can be done in 3 ways. Now mutually 6 statistics books can be arranged in 6 ways. 5 accountancy books can be arranged in 5 ways. And 4 English books can be arranged in 4 Now 6 factorial into 3 factorial into 5 factorial into 4 factorial. 720 into 6 into 120 into 24. Do it 720 into 6 into 120 into 724 into 24. One two four one. 6 double 1 2 double 4. 1,24,41,600 ways of arranging the. Did everyone understand this? So that is the language. If the books of each subject is to remain together, comma, then resultantly 3 subjects are to be arranged. Full stop. This can be done in 3 ways. Okay. Next paragraph. Moreover, 6 books of statistics can be mutually arranged in 6 ways. Next paragraph. 5 books of accounts can be mutually arranged in 5 ways. Next paragraph. And 4 books of English can be mutually arranged in 4 ways. Understood this? Next paragraph. Therefore, total number of arrangements are shown below. Now, show this. So, everyone is clear with this? Okay? Now, in exams, you should not make a mistake. A lot of practices done together. Alternately, you should not make a mistake. Complete, everyone? Now, look at question number 7. In how many ways can all the letters of the word mango be arranged so that underline vowels are not together? Now listen here, question is different. Now the question is that vowels which are A and O here. Normally, so far what question we have done, 2 girls are together, 3 boys are together, 5 boys are together, 2 vowels are together, and each subject books are together. But here 2 vowels are not together. How will you do that? Raise your hand. No? Why? Alternate. How can you arrange alternate? Tell me. M-A-N-O-G, Manog. And then mango. How can you do it in calculations? Rima? Yes? No. But it?
3P3 into 3P.
3P3 for?
MNG.
MNG. Then?
That 3 will be together and both will be.
Both?
A and O will always be not together.
But we want it not to be together. Yes, anyone else? Pravati? No. What is that 1P1 for? 1P1 means you are putting it only one place. Which one place? It is not to come in one place. It can come anywhere, but A and O should not come together. So 1P1 is not correct. Harmeet? 3P3 for? Silence everyone. And 2P2? 3P3, 2P2, but where you are arranging A and O? For what we have done 2P2? Anyone else? Okay, now listen carefully. First of all, M, N, G. When will you say that vowels will not appear together? When they come in either of these places. Means one letter or A and O comes here, the another comes here. Are A and O together? If another comes here, are A and O together? If another comes here, are A and O together? Means when will the vowels not be together? If they come in the extreme ends or they come in between M, N, G. When will the vowels not remain together? When either they appear in the extreme ends, then A and O are not together, or they come in between the letters M, N, G. Okay? Means these two letters I should place in which place? Either in this place, or in this place, or in this place, or in this place. How can you do this alternative? 4P2. I told you that whether you do arrange two letters in four places or four letters in two places, for both of them the number of ways are 4P2. Did everyone understand this? And three letters M, N, G at three places. How can you arrange them? 3P. 4P2. Bhakti, how will we solve 4P2? Write this 50 times by tomorrow. NPR's formula. 4P2, so only 4 into 3. Two numbers. And 3P3 is 3 factorial. So 4 into 3, 12. 3 factorial is 6. Total 72 days of doing it. I'll explain it one more time, then I dictate it. The condition is different now. The two vowels should not remain together. When will the vowels be not together? If they either come in extreme ends or they come in between M and G, then they will not be together. Means two vowels have to be arranged in this four places. That can be done in 4P, two ways. And moreover, these three letters can be arranged in these three places in 3P, three ways. So in this arrangement, the vowels will not come together. Did everyone understand this? Any doubts on this? So, if two vowels should not come together, then they should be arranged on either sides. You understand either sides? Either in the beginning or at the end. Then they should be arranged in either sides or in between M and G. Okay, either they should come in either sides or in between M and G. Letter N, not the end, okay? So this can be done in 4P, two ways. Okay, 4 places, 2 letters. So this can be done in 4P, two ways. Got it, everyone? Next paragraph. Moreover, 3 letters M, N, G can be arranged in 3P, 3 ways. Total number of arrangements are shown below. Therefore, total number of arrangements are shown below. Complete this. Completed, everyone? Picnic information has been announced, no? Abhishek sir did not announce. Be curious after the questions. One more question is only to be done after. Page number 250, 246. Page number 246. Silence, everyone. Shh, silence. Question number 2. Page 246, exercise 6, section D, question 2. In how many ways can 4 boys and 4 girls be arranged in a row such that underline no 2 boys and no 2 girls appear together? What does that mean? Read on there alternately. But now there are 4 boys and 4 girls. So how many arrangements are possible? 2 alternate arrangements are possible. BG, 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 or GB, 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 GB. Now, Be attentive. 4 boys have to be arranged in 4 places that can be done in 4 ways. And 4 girls have to be arranged in 4 places. This can be done in 4 ways. What else? Into 2, because 2 alternatives are possible. So further you will do simply into 2. So 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2. 24 into 24, 576 into 2, 1, 1, 4, 5, 2. Is everyone clear with this? If boys and girls are to be arranged alternately, then 2 different alternatives are possible, shown as below. 2 different alternatives are possible, shown as below. Therefore, total number of arrangements will be as follows. Complete this. Put off the camera. Give me the mobile.